Hello and welcome, dear viewers. Tonight we embark on one of the most profound journeys imaginable, the story of how everything, space, time, matter, and even us came into existence. It's a tale that stretches back over 13.5 billion years to a single extraordinary moment known as the Big Bang. Imagine, if you will, a universe that does not yet exist. No stars, no galaxies, no planets, no light. Not even space or time. Everything we know, every atom in your body, every galaxy in the heavens was once compressed into a point smaller than a grain of sand. A singularity of unimaginable density and heat. Then, in an instant, something remarkable happened. The universe ignited, expanding outward with a fury so intense it set the stage for all that was to come. In those first fractions of a second, reality itself was chaotic and alien. Temperatures soared beyond comprehension. Particles collided at energies beyond anything we can create on Earth. And the fundamental forces of nature, gravity, electromagnetism, the strong and weak nuclear forces, were born. The laws of physics as we know them today were forged in that fiery crucible. Within mere minutes, the young universe began to cool, just enough for the first atomic nuclei to form. Hydrogen, helium, and trace amounts of lithium, the primordial elements, were created. These simple building blocks would become the raw material from which everything else in the cosmos would be built: stars, planets, and eventually life itself. But the universe was still cloaked in darkness. For hundreds of thousands of years, light could not travel freely, trapped by the dense fog of particles. Then, about 380,000 years after the Big Bang, the universe cleared. At last, photons streamed across the cosmos, giving birth to the first light we can still detect today as the faint glow of the cosmic microwave background, our oldest snapshot of the infant universe. Over billions of years, gravity began to weave its masterpiece. Clouds of hydrogen and helium collapsed under their own weight, igniting the first stars. These stars burned brightly, lived fast, and died in spectacular explosions called supernovae, scattering heavier elements, carbon, oxygen, iron, across the cosmos. In their deaths, they enriched the universe, seeding the ingredients for planets and for us. Galaxies formed. Clusters of stars bound together in vast cosmic cities. Spirals, ellipticals, irregular shapes, all dancing in an ever-expanding sea of space-time. Our own Milky Way was among them, eventually giving birth to a small yellow star we call the Sun, and to a tiny rocky planet bathed in warmth and light, Earth. From that first moment of creation to the rise of galaxies and the spark of life, the Big Bang is more than a theory. It is the grand narrative of existence itself. And even today, the universe continues to expand, galaxies racing away from one another, carrying with them the echo of that first cosmic explosion. We are, in the deepest sense, children of the stars. Every atom in your body was forged in the heart of a dying star. Every breath you take is a continuation of a story that began nearly 14 billion years ago in that single, spectacular moment of creation. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you are not separate from the universe. You are part of it. You are the cosmos, made conscious, looking back on itself. Thank you for joining me on this journey through time and space. If you enjoyed this exploration of the Big Bang, don't forget to stay with us for more cosmic stories. Until next time, keep wondering, keep looking up, and remember, the universe lives within you.